I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my Power Yoga series. Today's video is going to be my yoga for weight loss. So we're going to be working the entire body. We're going to really sweat it out, get the heart rate up, and get moving. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. If you're unable to join me for this workout right now, go ahead and save this video to your watch later. That way you can come back and join me whenever you have time. So we're going to get started standing at the very top of our mat. Bring your feet to their hip width distance apart. Check your posture here. Make sure you're sending that tailbone down. You're lifting up through your lower abdominals and you're bringing those shoulder blades down. We're going to do 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar B, so Sun Salutation B. We're going to get right into it, so let's go. On your inhale, you're going to reach those arms up to the sky as you come down into your squat. So inhale here, bend those knees, reach up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, coming up halfway. Exhale, step back, take 2 steps back into your high plank. Nice big inhale here. And exhale, chaturanga. Good. Inhale, coming up into your upward facing dog. Lift the chest, lift the heart up to the sky. And exhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good. From here, on your inhale, bring that right leg forward, stepping it up. Place that left heel back down on the mat. You're going to inhale, just reach the arms up, coming into your high lunge. Inhale here. And exhale, bring the hands down. Good. Send that right leg back. We're going to bring the left leg forward this time. Place that right heel back down on the mat. Reach those arms up. And exhale, down. Bring that left leg back. Good. Let out a big deep breath here. On your next inhale, look forward. Lift the heels, bend the knees, take a nice big hop towards the front of your mat. Inhale, coming up halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Good. Inhale, rolling up, coming back down into your squat. And reach those arms up. Exhale it down. That's 1. We're going to do 2 more rounds, so take a step forward. Inhale, reach those arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, coming up halfway. Exhale, stepping back into your high plank. Inhale here. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. Good. This time you're going to start by bringing that left foot forward, placing the right heel down on the mat. Reach the arms up towards the sky. And exhale. Good. Step it back. Push that foot back into your downward dog. Let out a nice big deep exhale here. Get on your inhale, look forward, lift those heels, bend the knees, take a nice big hop up towards the front of the mat. Inhale, coming up halfway, exhale, forward fold. Good. Inhale, bend those knees, reach the arms up towards the sky. And exhale, hand back down to the heart. We're going to do 1 more round. Keep it going. Heating up the body here. Last time. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, coming up halfway. Exhale, step those feet back into your high plank. Hold it here. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Good. From here, reach the right leg forward, send that left heel back down. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, down. Step it back into downward facing dog, and left foot comes forward, bring the right heel down. Inhale, reach those arms up towards the sky, nice big stretch. And exhale, step it back into your downward dog. Awesome job, you guys. Let out a big deep breath here. On your inhale, look forward to the front of your mat, lift those heels, bend those knees, nice big hop. Coming up halfway. And exhale, forward fold. Good. Inhale, bend those knees, reach the arms up towards the sky. And exhale, bring your hands back down. Beautiful job, you guys. One last time here, reach the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Good. Stepping back into your high plank. And then immediately go back into your downward dog. From here, you're going to keep it moving. Reach that right leg up towards the sky. Nice big one-legged dog. On your exhale, you're going to bring that knee into the chest. Squeeze it. And then lift it back up. That's 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. Good. Hold this one. You're going to pulse it in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Squeeze it. Stepping through into your high lunge. Engage through your core here. Find your balance. We're going to lift our hands up towards the sky. Take a nice big deep inhale. And on your exhale, reach those arms up. Nice big stretch of the front body. Stretching out those hip flexors. Just breathing here. Holding this high lunge or crescent lunge. Engaging through those lower legs. Good. 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale, send those shoulders down. 1 more time, inhale. Reach those arms back down. Step that back foot to meet the left foot. And exhale it out. Good, we're gonna repeat that on the left side. So on your next inhale, reach that left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bring that left knee into the chest, squeeze it in. That's 1, send it back up. And 2, and 3, and 4. Last one, hold it. We're gonna pulse it out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got it. Squeeze it, hold it, and bring that left leg through. Bring it in between your hands, coming back into that lunge. So again, make sure you engage through your core here so you can find that balance. Take a nice big deep inhale. And then on your exhale, you're going to reach those hands up towards the sky. Nice big crescent high lunge. Open up that chest, open up that heart. Engage to the lower legs, squeeze those muscles, and breathe. 2 more breaths here. Inhale. And an exhale. 1 more inhale. And exhale, send those hands back down towards the mat. And step back into your downward facing dog. Good. Push those hands into the mat. Give yourself a nice big stretch. Take a big deep inhale. And an exhale. 1 last exercise, you guys, and then that's it. It's quick but very effective exercise. From here, we're going to do kind of like modified burpees. They're not going to be as intense as regular burpees. So all you're going to do is you're going to inhale, jump forward, come to standing, squeeze your glutes together, lower back down, and then jump back out to plank. That's 1. We're going for 9 more. Bring it up and down. That's 2. Squeeze your glutes every time you come up. For 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. You got it. Keep smiling. 8. Just 2 more. 9. Last one. And 10. Good. Jump back down into your plank. Take a nice big deep inhale here. And exhale. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Stretch out that stomach. And exhale, downward facing dog. Awesome job, you guys. Let out a big deep breath. You did amazing. Catch your breath. Slow down your heart rate. Let it all go. And then whenever you're ready, go ahead, lower those knees back down to the mat. Come to a seated position on your heels. Take a nice big inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, bring the palms of your hands together, Anjali Mudra. Bring those hands down to the center of your third eye, all the way back down to your heart. Give yourself a nice bow. Thanking yourself for such a wonderful practice today. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did, and I'll see you next time. Bye. If you guys want to see more content or check out my whole Power Yoga series, you can go ahead and download our app, Yoga Plus, which is located in the description below.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.